Alright guys, today I'm going to show you the quick way to drop the fuel tank and replace the fuel pump on this 2002 Ford Mustang. Alright, you guys ready? Let's do it. So first things first, let me show you guys how to relieve the fuel pressure. So if you go in here, open this up, you see this little thing. There we go, like that. The button pops up. Now, when we crank it, it won't start. There we go. Fuel pressure relieved. We are going to disconnect this fuel vapor hose. Mine was already disconnected. Convenient. 3 volts, 10 millimeters. Right here. Alright, next we're going to grab our jack. I'm going to put it a little bit more towards the right side. It's a little too high for my jack, but it'll be fine. The gas tank is not as full as usual. So you see this connector right here? We're going to disconnect it. All I did was disconnect that. Now for the hanger, we are going to, so one side is the hinge like this, the other side has the actual bolt. Same concept here, one side has the bolt, the other side the hinge. So, alright, it was a 13 millimeter. I just loosened it. There's the bolt. Now we're slowly gonna let the side down. I'm not taking it all the way, but you see this glue? This little gunk right here? It's freaking... Jack this way a little. Alright guys, it's a little heavier than I thought. Now this should give us enough clearance to change out the fuel pump. As you can see, I'm not supporting it at all. We are going to disconnect the battery real quick because we don't want to get shocked. There we go. Now, we're going to grab our 8mm and start undoing the fuel pump bolts. Alright, 6 bolts, they're all undone. Now we can push our little button back down, redisconnect the battery. That. Alright, now I'm going to pry this clip right here. I'm gonna pry off. Let's see. Put this jack right here just so it doesn't drop. Alright guys, I just got it off. My plan was, because it was so stubborn, I was just gonna break this piece off, but I ended up just loosening it enough to push it down. But yep, next you're gonna get your fuel line quick disconnect and get that get this off. You slide in here and it pulls right off. We got our quick disconnect tool right here. Now we're just gonna slip it onto the fuel line and push. Onto the fuel line and push. Alright guys, I just took the line off. Got a quick disconnect. Now I'm just letting it drip back into the fuel tank, save some fuel. Then we're going to pull it out. There's 2 little tabs in here. Just going to press them and then pull. Bring it upside down so it drains in the fuel tank. Spill. Alright guys, we got the old fuel pump out. The wiring and all that out of the way. Now, I realized why my sending unit wasn't working. Because there is no sending unit. Oh my gosh. Comes with everything, the little filter, sending unit. I just got to attach it, and the cap. So this will go here, this right here, line it up, and then click it. There we go. So now when the fuel level is up, this will go up, and it'll read the voltage. Right. I gotta cut these zip ties. Nope, it's not zip tied. It's just looped around. Alright. also comes with a new filter right here. First, we'll drop in the float. We're almost there. I just gotta wiggle it in. Okay, so my camera ended up dying while I was installing the fuel pump. I finally got it in, and it's the same process as taking it out, just in reverse. And now, my Mustang, the fuel level reads, and it runs perfectly fine. Let me show y'all. Check that out, guys. Before it was always empty. Starts up fine. Nothing crazy. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. If it helped you out at all, leave a comment. And I will see you guys next time. God bless. Peace.